Dacia from Hello everyone, I'm Dacia from Linbay Machinery. Linbay Machinery is a Chinese manufacturer of roll forming machines, and now we also have an after-sales service center in Mexico. Today I'd like to introduce to you this slat rolling shutter slats roll forming machine. This machine consists of a decoiler, a roll forming machine, and a hydraulic cutting. Normally in a rolling shutter slat system, we only have several profiles need to be punched. So in this machine, we don't have a hydraulic punch station to punch connection holes, but we have another production line for the perforation. If you are interested in this machine, please stay with me to see more details. Now we can see the main part of the roll forming production line, the roll forming machine. This roll forming machine has a cast iron structure and transmits the power by chains. It's a very robust configuration. At the beginning of the roll forming process, we can see this sprayer, because in this case we use galvanized steel as material, so we have to make sure the material doesn't get scratched. All these rollers are chrome-plated, which can extend the lifespan. Inside the roll forming machine, we have many guide rollers to ensure that the profiles always stand centered without deviation. We also have a control panel used to control this machine, and all the operation process can be found in our instruction manual. We will provide each client with an instruction manual for each machine. If the client has any after-sales questions, we will answer the question as soon as possible at our after-sales group. After we finish the machine, we have to test the machine to ensure the performance. The customer need to tell us what type of steel coil they will use. They can buy these steel coils and ship to our factory, or they can let us buy these steel coils, but make sure to tell us what's the grade, what's the type of these steel coils. It's very important for the roll forming machine. At the end of the production line, we have the hydraulic cut. In this case, before the hydraulic cutting, in this machine we use an encoder to measure the length. In the automatic mode, when the profile reaches the set length, the machine will cut automatically. And before cutting, we have a straightening device to assure the straightness of the profiles. And this is a hydraulic cutting in this case because all the profiles need the connection holes. So we have these 2 punch needles. Totally we have 4 punch needles to punch the connection holes on the profiles. The punch and the cut perform at the same time. If the client needs a configuration faster, we can provide the option of flying hydraulic cutting. It means when cut the profiles, the roll forming machine doesn't need to stop. Well, that's all about this machine. If you are interested, please contact us by the information in the top right corner. Linbay Machinery is committed to provide the best machines and the best after-sales service. We have technicians to provide service in your factory. After we ship the machine, we will provide the client an installation video, an instruction manual. We also have an office in Mexico. If you are interested, you can also come to visit us. See you next time. Bye.